right?
Oh, okay. So how is that our business?
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
For the people who are so consumed up in people's sexual preference and being upset when people like the same sex, why y'all care? Tell me, why do y'all care so much? Why do you care about people's sexual preference? And please don't be like, well, you know, in the Bible it says, listen, are you sin-free? Answer that. Are you sin-free? No? And are you God? No? So who are you to judge? Who are you to judge? Also, why does it matter if a man loves a man and a woman loves a woman? What does that have to do with you? What does it have to do with you? If it doesn't affect your life personally, what does that have to do with you? Because people love to bring up the Bible. Cool. I'm never going to tell people how they should feel, but I'm going to tell you how you should behave. And that's the difference. The Bible talks about love, to love one another, to love thy neighbor, to turn the other cheek. The Bible speaks on love. People love to bring up the Bible, but they bring up the Bible with hate when the Bible speaks on love. So besides the Bible and God, tell me why you truly have an issue with it. Because I don't care what anyone's sexual preference is unless he is a fine 6'2" dark-skinned island man. Unless he's gay, like, then it's like, oh man, damn it. That's the only time I care. If you're a fine man, I just hope that, you know, I'm not like over here passing boundaries and whatnot, because, you know, you can't just assume all fine men are straight, even though, you know, some of these gay men, some of y'all just be so fine. And I know, I don't have a chance in hell, and I don't want a chance in hell. I just want to say you guys are fine. But like, anyway, I just can't comprehend why people make such an uproar about same-sex marriage, same-sex love. Mind your business. Where's this energy for bestiality? Where's this energy for like, I don't know, pedophilia? There's so much other things in life to worry about, and we're worried about people's sexual preference. Get a grip. Get your life together. And stop judging people. Mind your business. Because y'all out here worried about what people's sexual preference is. Like, y'all not doing some fast in these streets. Oh, okay. Mind the business that pays you and leave people alone. If you don't have love to spread, leave them alone. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, oh my neck. If you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time, guys, and don't forget to hit that bell, that what? Hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. And guys, happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month to you. Oh, I'm here for that. But guys, mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, bye.